Hello everyone, this is grade 2, module 7, lesson 7 homework. What we see for the directions is just solve. So we have some word problems that we're going to take down. I'm going to start with number 2, and it says, Eli found 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 2 pennies in his desk, and 16 pennies, 2 dimes, in his backpack. How much money does he have in all? So, I have two different things. His desk and his backpack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw down 1 quarter, which I know is worth 25, 1 dime, and then 2 pennies. And there's my quarter, which is 25 cents, my dime, which is 10, and my 2 pennies that are 1. Now, what I need to do for his backpack is draw in 16 pennies, which are worth 1, and 2 dimes, which are each worth 10. So there's my 16 pennies in yellow and my 2 dimes in blue. How much money does he have in all? So the first thing I need to figure out is how many does he have in his desk, or how much. So I have 25 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. And I know 25 plus 10 is 35, 36, 37. And that's cents. Now I got to figure out how much he had in his backpack. So I have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And when they talk about in all, it means that I am going to add these two together. So I have 37 plus 36. Now, I can show it vertically. I could use the arrow way. I could use a place value chart. I could use just about anything to solve this one out. Number bonds. I could also count and just continue on. So I have 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and so on. And what I will end up with is 73 cents. So that's how much he has in all. Now for number 3, you're going to be doing a similar thing, except this time it says, how much money does Carrie have left because she bought something. So you're not going to be finding in all, you're going to be finding out what's left. Let's take a look at page 2. On page 2, we're going to look first at 5. And it says, there are 4 dimes and 3 nickels in Susan's piggy bank. Nivea has 17 pennies and 3 nickels in her piggy bank. What is the total value of the money in both piggy banks? So first thing I want to do is draw out Susan's piggy bank. And I see that she has 4 dimes and 3 nickels. And I know a dime is worth 10 and a nickel is worth 5. So there they are. I have 4 dimes, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it looks like Susan has 55 cents. Now what I need to do is go down and find Nivea. And she has 17 pennies and 3 nickels. And I know penny is worth 1 and a nickel is worth 5. There's our 3 nickels and our 17 pennies. So now I can count. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So the question says, what is the total value of the money in both piggy banks? Now I could do a counting on, so I can start at Susan's 55 and then continue counting by 5s here. Or I can add the 2 using vertical, or I can use number bonds, or I can use arrowway, or I can use number discs, any way that you want. and you're going to end up with 87 cents. Let's take a look at the last question down below. And it says, Tyson had 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 4 nickels, and 5 pennies. He gave 57 cents to his cousin. How much money does Tyson have left? So the first thing I'll do is I'll put my quarter, my 4 dimes, my 4 nickels, and my 5 pennies. I know a quarter is worth 25, dimes are worth 10, nickels are worth 5, and pennies are worth 1. And there are my coins. I have 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So he has 90 cents. And he gave away 57 cents to his cousin. How much money does he have left? And I could use, again, a number of strategies to subtract this out. I might end up using number discs so I can borrow or so I can decompose a 10, which is what I'm going to do because I know I can't take 7 from 0, so I'm decomposing this to an 8, and I'm taking 10 of those ones and I'm bringing them over here. So I still have 90 on top. I just have 8 10s and 10 1s. Now I can take away 7 from the 10, which will be 3. And I can take away 5 from the 8 to get 3. So Tyson will have 33 cents left. All of these should have a answer statement, but I was unable to put that one in, and it's just using part of the question. So Tyson has 33 cents left. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your homework.